Developing a simple budget routine can help you keep your budget up to date. First, pick a time of day when you plan on looking at your budget. Once you have your budget open, just run through these quick steps. Enter or import any new transactions. Cover any overspending that came from those transactions. Budget any new income until your to-be budgeted is 0. Finally, just take a quick look at your categories and make any necessary adjustments. That's it. Once you get the hang of this daily habit, it'll really only take you 5 minutes or less. And man, what a small investment for taking total control of your money.